prime algorithm. So enter negative number, -1, number is negative. So I put an insert. Let's continue. 0, 0, 0. Okay. So now we put or then now 1, 1 for 2. Okay, 2 is bugged, but let's continue. 10, 10 it's correctly. 53, let's continue. 53, so 53 is cool. Let's continue on 100. It's cool. Let's continue 200. So it's cool. It's working. So it's good. Thank you.